Good morning, my people. It's Moto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking. It's Sunday morning, guys. The, I'm telling you, guys. I was just looking at the bird. I'm scared. I was just looking at the bird. So I'm telling you, the weather. As you know, it's springtime here. The weather is so good. We are burning, but the weather in the morning is breezy. Let me project my camera so you can see how my pears are doing. Bam! Those are my pears. Look at that, guys. They are coming up. You see the breeze? It's not cold, it's not warm, it's just perfect this morning. But I tell you, as time goes by, they said it's going to be hot. So I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast over there. Another pear tree here. It's coming. These pear trees, by the end of May, we should be eating actually pears here. That pear, I'm telling you guys, these pears, they grow like crazy. Huge pears we have. I'm telling you, they are huge. Don't worry. We are planting something this morning. I'm gonna show you. I'm looking for the sun. Yes, the sun. It's coming from there. Oh my God. But we are planting plum, a plum tree. I wanted to plant that here, but I feel like here sometimes it's water that comes from my neighbor here. The plum tree is not gonna do well here. So guys, for those ones who are wondering what are these chairs for, this chair in my backyard, I have another one here, I have another one there, I have more chairs over there. The thing is, over here where I'm standing right here, we used to have above the ground pool. Right here we used to have a huge pool where we used, my kids used to enjoy, even myself and my hubby, we used to enjoy swimming right here. But you know, as time goes by, people grow, people change. So we had to stop and remove the pool from here. But we never removed the chairs. We feel like these chairs, the pool chairs, we can use them actually sitting here when it's the weather is good like now. You can just enjoy here with the breakfast or lunch or dinner. And I'm gonna be setting this backyard um, like a staycation. I'm gonna show you how you can use your backyard if you have a backyard as a staycation. That's why you see me having these chairs, and these chairs has been really of helpful for us to kind of chill in the backyard. So I'm gonna show you something right here. This is right here is a plum tree. Look at that. This is a plum tree fruit. Let me show you the tag. I think I'm gonna show you the tag right here. Oh my, let me see if I can project it so y'all can read. Let me show you. It's saying, sorry guys, it's saying it's a plum, a Gulf Beauty. It's a Gulf Beauty plum tree. So it's a green branch with a green branches. So this plum tree, we had to go to this open air market, which I'm gonna upload a video for you to see. On this it's a market here in Texas in the US, where people can go there and sell and buy your things, the second-hand things, the new things. So we bought this plum tree, which I love so much. So we're gonna plant that plum tree over here. I'm gonna show you in my kitchen garden, but we're gonna plant it there. Let me show you in a little bit. This is where we're going to plant that tree. You see, we are digging a hole right here. This is my kitchen garden on the other side right here. But we are going to plant that plum tree, a fruit here. And the reason why we are putting here, as you can see, we are next to the fence with other neighbors. So I don't want my plum tree to grow past my fence to disturb the neighbors. That's why the reason why we are putting this hole here and we're planting this plum tree. So I'm going to show you the process. So far we are digging. we are about to plant, but for now we're just digging the hole so that we can put the plum tree. Also, we are going to plant this veggie right here. We are going to put some trenches here, some little holes over here, and then we can transplant this one's kales. So this year God has been so good to us. God has been so good for us. So we're gonna have kales finally. As you know, guys, buying food here in the US stores, especially this time, is very pricey. And as you know, Moto Lifestyle, I love organic, organic all the way. Anything organic, I love it. That's why, even though I don't have a whole lot of piece of land or anything, but it's just a small little kitchen garden, I feel like I should plant or produce my own. But so far, I think today I'm gonna transform this backyard for you. So I'm gonna vlog for you how I'm gonna transform this backyard looking like a staycation. If you ever feel like you are the kind of person who likes to go staycation, but you know the pocket is not there, you can transform you a small piece of whatever you have into a staycation. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use some umbrella to transform this piece of kitchen, your backyard into a staycation, a beautiful staycations. But this morning, I wanted to show you how we are going to plant this plum tree, and wanted to update you again about my pear tree, guys, which are really doing so well. I'm so proud of these pear trees. And also, for those ones who are new here, my name is Sumoto Lifestyle again. I am a village girl from East Africa, Kenya, but now I live here in the US with my family, and I love vlogging, guys. I love vlogging. I love to show you how people live here in the US. You know, when you hear about US, some people we hear about fancy life, you know, which is there, which is fancy life is there, tall buildings and beautiful roads and everything good here in the US, chill life. But the other side of the US I'm showing you is that you can have all that, but at the same time, as a village girl, you can find your way of making your life to be a village girl in the middle of the city. That is exactly what Moto Lifestyle is here to show you. Like, even if I have this home here, I can still manage to make this home to be uh what? I can still manage to make this home to be a garden. I can manage to plant my kales, my everything that I need, my pears that I need. So before that, we are going to eat breakfast, and as I've shown you from the beginning of this video, we were making puff puff. You call it puff puff? I don't know how you call it, donuts or whatever. But we are going to enjoy breakfast. I'm going to show you how they came out, and I feel like we should be eating out here because I love eating on my swing. So I'm going to bring my tea here so that we can enjoy. So give me a second, I can bring my tea. Finally, guys, our tree is in. This is how we're going to plant it. Our plum tree is right here. Guys, in a year or 6 months, you'll be seeing this tree. By God's grace, we'll be eating lots of plums from here. Comment below, guys, what I need to do for this tree to grow fruits. So this is what we're doing before we eat our breakfast. Let me show you our breakfast. Guys, this is our breakfast as we plant our tree. Today we decided to eat here in our backyard. Look at the puff puff, guys. Clap for me. Clap for me. What do you think? Look at that. And of course, here we have our tea. We have our milk tea. Let me see if I can open it for you to see. Give me a second. This is our tea. So I'm going to pour tea here. Yes, look at that. Look at that. That is the tea. So we are going to enjoy this beautiful, delicious Sunday morning tea in our natural DIY swing. Also, we are surrounded by pears over here, and another pear surrounded by another pear over here. And as we plant our plum tree over here. Wow, look at that. That's how we are planting, hoping our plum is going to do well. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So make sure you squeeze that soil in so that our plum tree cannot be shaken and everything is buried in there. So when it's going to grow, oh my goodness. This is the magic that we have done this morning. Guys, thank you so much this video this morning, and thank you so much for coming with us as we were planting our plums. We have pears, now we have added a plum tree, which is a fruit that we'll be enjoying as time comes by. You know, I don't know, but 1 year or 6 to 1 year we'll start seeing lots of plums growing over there. So guys, let me enjoy our breakfast this morning. This is the bap puff that I made. uh, mm, 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 mm. It's so yummy. Well guys, thank you so much for supporting this channel of Moto Lifestyle. I'm gonna keep uploading a video for you as much as I can, and I hope you guys come here to support us. And thank you so much for the new subscribers. Thank you so much for everybody, and I miss you so much, and I welcome you guys to come here from my backyard here to you guys. I'll say ciao. I'll see you on the next one. Mwah! I love you so much.